So guys, I'm discuss very important topic about the SEO on-page pattern on your particular website. The question is called how to SEO on-page help how to the rank your website. In this particular, we have to analyze for your particular search engine optimization. I'm showing for every step-by-step procedure. First of all, your business analysis. Second will be your keyword analysis and web position analysis and your competitor analysis. After we can do for on-page optimization and off-page optimization and server-side optimization, report and reviews. In on-page optimization, very important key role will be play to website will be ranking purpose. There will be to control the site to be optimized through the page coding. First of all, URL optimization. Any website we can go here. I'm clicking for this page indicated for services. In the services page, if I'm click any particular services here, they give the complete URL structure will be given the URL purpose. The URL purpose. So just I'm clicking in this website URL suppose. They're showing for what is the website purpose, how we using for a particular URL. That all comes to where we understanding for URL optimization. So here, this is complete for URL structure, hosting server for website and best price. Next one, title optimization, meta description, meta keywords. We have using for particular title and description option. Title, description and keywords. This all will be generating for keyword option purpose. Here, when people will be searching will be in this your particular keyword. They will show for number of website. Same like I can show for our website also. We can promoting for in this keyword future. This all will be SEO off page. Now I'm done by which one? SEO on page I'm done. So when you will be promoting starting for purpose, we can using for SEO off page option. So it is done by here. That is called we can do in for title and description keyword. Meta robot. Robot or text will compass important. XML sitemap. This will be compass important XML sitemap. How we can check? After this website, selecting for robo.txt purpose. After .com, we can selecting for robo.txt. Sitemap purpose, sitemap.xml. This we can check for your particular option. Next will be important H1 tag. How to check? Control U in the particular option. Control F H1 tag. H1 tag. What is your exact keyword is using for? That is your complete H1 tag. This is your complete for H1 tag option. Is a compulsory mandatory. H1 tag we can use 1 to 3 H1 tag. 1 or 2 or 3. Don't increase them more than. Content optimization. Your keyword will be coming to the your content optimization compulsory important. Image optimization. Every image specific name you can use particular alt tag option. That is called here. Control F. Alt is equal to is a logo. Option will be here. You can use based on option will be in this. You can act optimize by the logo option will be here. This is a particular in this. This is using for particular name will be used in the particular image name here. This is a particular image name option. Same what is the title we can use? We can using for same name for image alt tag and anchor linking. So we can give by any anchor link another specific your services will be here. This all will be anchor test. When click here, they go to other pages. They go to other pages. Linking will be compulsory important each and every page option. And footer optimization. Every footer will be compulsory optimized will be like this option. This compulsory mandatory field to optimize for SEO on page option. Now here. So your based on website, how we can optimize your title, everything will be here. Here, particular option will be here. Your optimization and title will be using for 60 to 70 characters. Meta description we can using for 160 characters. Robot is a do follow and no follow links for indexing purpose. And H1 tag. Right focus keyword H1 tag. H1 tag only using only for web page. H2 for H6. These are the keyword we can using for optimization purpose. And content optimization, how it is used. This all will be dependent by the write the content by using keyword that are finalized by the keyword analysis. Highlight of the keyword important. Keyword by using italic and bold. Keyword density should be 2%. Image optimization. Add focus keyword in the alt attribute on the image. I'm already say every image, particular image compass important using for alt tag. Anchor linking. Add hyperlinking for each and every keyword, the particular option. Now here, hyperlinking will be particular main keyword will be here. Put option, write a short description. Already say short description here and mention full address here. Option will be showing for full address and email ID, phone number, and social network buttons. We are adding for social network buttons will be in this particular option. This is all complete for where the particular website to optimize for the SEO on page option. So selecting these features and update by every website in this every here is a complete information will give by the SEO on page optimization in the particular website. You complete read the this description and every option will be here, and after that we can start in for SEO off page procedure. Article submission, Google site, guest posting, comment posting, PDF submission, document submission, image sharing, and video sharing, social bookmark, and classified listing. This we can using this option to promote your website using for SEO on page to off page techniques. So finally the results will be here. When people will be searching, your website will showing for Google top position. The first page or second page. Now I'm going to the second page. Based on promotion, they come into the first page option. So yeah, when people will be searching, different will be people will be search by using for keywords. When people will be search this keyword and check your website position, where my website position will be given the Google ranking. Each will be rank will be here. 4 will be showing ads and 10 will be showing for SEO organic search results. We have to check your position will be here and check the option and you can look the your particular website position. So here I am searching a different keyword. In the third page also will be not there your particular position. So depend on keyword, you have to promote your particular website using for Google search engines. This all belongs to where your particular search engine optimization purpose. Any particular URL, most important will be here your particular keyword option. This will be keyword we can use and we can using for particular location or on the particular option. So if I'm searching will be here, we can check where is our website position. Compulsory this all option will be belongs to for in this SEO optimization to ranking website on Google or any search engine purpose. Compulsory we can follow instructions. This complete document will be given by the Rocket Tech Solution blog and watch the video properly and follow these options. The complete information I'm give by here. Go to blog option. Each and every video will be there in the blogs. First read the documentation, search network, what are improvement from the Robot.txt file, how to use and how we can optimization. Everything you can read on the explain about the neatly by the particular blog option. We can go to first or second pages. They will showing for HTTP activation, alt tag, anchor text, everything we have discussed about in the particular option. How to use the complete detail will be given by the blog option. Follow the back and every video will be given by the my particular channel option. Follow the blog and the channel to learn complete SEO, promote your business and the particular option. This total documentation given by the on the particular blog option. Follow the complete instructions and improve your SEO score ranking website on the particular based on page and off page techniques. Without on page, don't use off page will be in the particular promotion purpose. Off page main to promote by the business to using on off page techniques the based on the on page optimization. First any website compass important on page optimization. Please thoroughly read the information what is the SEO user friendly URL structure, everything we can design and read it and increase your website traffic and based on SEO on page and off page promotions. If any doubts required, please ask me in the YouTube comments and to send by email also.